The one that I choose from the activity that mom given are number 4. I choose number 4, the one who climbed the ladder. This shows how hardworking you are and how you manage the upcoming problems that your group may face. As a leader, you are the one who guides your members, and the ladder symbolizes moving forward and making progress in the work on duties you implement. It represents actions toward progress in the work on duties you implement. It represents action toward a goal. For example, Mother Teresa devoted her entire life to help the poor, sick, and needy through the organization and the missionary of charity. She showed the she showed the true leadership by serving others first, sacrificing her own comfort and inspiring people worldwide to help those in need. Her action reflected humanity, love, and dedication, which are key traits of a servant leader. Just like Mother Teresa, I would do the same thing. Just like ladder, I keep striving and climb towards my goal in order for me to manage my group properly.